In this training video, I will be showing you how to add a new scope type. So as you can see right here, we've got mitigation. That's all we have is mitigation right now, this particular scope, list of line items. But we are in programming. That's how you're going to start off to get into this section to make the new scope. Okay, you have to be in programming, and then you would pick scope on the side button here. Programming tab, scope button. So we already have mitigation, but we want to add a new scope. So let's say you want to add cleaning. Okay, all line items for cleaning. You are going to pick add new scope. You click on that, and the first thing we're going to do is call it cleaning. Okay, make sure the spelling's correct, obviously, and then click on create. And just like that, we have a cleaning scope. Okay, there was our mitigation, but this is the cleaning scope that we just started by clicking on add new scope. Okay, so we already have it named scope. Okay, again, as in other videos, you can see that you could change this name for the side menu and the form title scope if you want. But it is always going to be under this cleaning. Okay. All right, so the first thing we need to do is create a header. Okay, these are all just line items, but we need a header, okay, for your categories. So I'm going to set a header right there. Click on that. And then I need to name this header. Okay, we know that we're in cleaning, but we want to name it. So I just clicked on the header, and I'm going to say, for example, tile cleaning. Okay, I'm going to capitalize that to make it more official. Okay, so we have tile cleaning right here. Okay, you saw how I did that. I clicked on over here, and I said set, not that one. I said, where to go? Oh, I'm already here, so I don't have to do it. Okay, so basically I set the header, okay, and then I clicked on here to title what this is. So now everything under here for line items is going to have to do with tile cleaning. So for example, if I'm going to say strip ceramic tile. Okay, so that's going to be my first line item. I like it. I click OK. Okay, look. Under tile cleaning, I have my first line item, strip ceramic tile. Okay, that's my first line item that I may want to choose to put here. And this is my unit of measurement, which is going to be, in this case, if you're stripping ceramic tile, most people would do it by the square foot. Okay, UOM is unit of measurement. I chose square foot. Okay, now regular hours price, well, let's say it's 38. Okay, we'll say it's 38, and if it's an after hour price, and that's a high price actually, and if it was higher, let's say, you would do your after hours price. Okay, so these are all editable. You can even just do it right here again. Click off to the side, it's set. So again, we set the header by these three dots. Okay, we named it by clicking on here. You can do it again. You can edit right from here at any time, not just from here. But tile cleaning. Okay, we named the header. We set the header, we named the header. And then we did our first line item. Okay, so you just go on and so forth. Just keep going and going and going and making all your line items coming down. Okay, if there was any reason that you wanted to clear this all out, you're just not doing cleaning anymore, you don't have cleaning, you could clear this whole list by clearing it and start over. You'd still have the cleaning list, but you could clear out all the line items. But if you want to delete everything, you'd click on here and delete, okay, which I'm going to do. Are you sure you want to delete scopes of this type? I'm going to confirm. Yes. Okay, now look what just happened. Okay, there is no more cleaning. Okay, but again, to add a new scope type, click on that button. We'll just do it one more time. And let's say I'm going to do fire. Okay, look how easy it is. Create, voila, we are there. Okay, see, now you have 2 in there. You could have however many industries you want to put in here, you can do that. Okay, so again, we're on fire. I want to create the header. Okay, I'm doing this one more time so you get it. Okay, set header. Super easy, right? It's untitled. Okay, let's title it. Okay, how about fire cleanup items? Okay, so now we've titled it. Okay, so now you would do your fire cleanup line items under there. Later, after you finished all these line items and you wanted to go into another part of your fire damage, let's say now it's going to be fire damage, well, wherever that might be, you're going to set a new header. Okay, right? Title it. Simple. Okay, you title it and then start doing your line items. Okay, I didn't title it, but you can see how that works. I just set a brand new header. Oh, I made a mistake. I don't want this here. Okay, well, easy. Remove the header. And just like that, it removed it. Okay, always at the bottom of all your line items, you will have miscellaneous, where you can put your miscellaneous items in there. Okay, this right here is additional notes. If you wanted to have a note box below here, once you're working within a project, you would check this off. Okay, all right, and then you could have that. Or if you want notes, I took the notes off, I want the notes on, and there it is. So really, really simple. Okay, for adding new scopes. I'm going back to mitigation. Okay, remember, you go into programming because this is your back-end work. This is your programming tab, and then you would choose scope, and this is how this page would come up, and then you would click on add new scope type. Okay, I'm reviewing so you guys get it out there, or gals for that matter. So that's how you do this. It's very, very easy to use. Just experiment with it and you'll get to know how to do this in no time. To your success, and thank you for watching.